I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the compressor safe and accessible. Disconnect the battery negative terminal so nothing can energize. This prevents injury. Once done, relieve belt tension and remove the drive belt. Note the routing or take a photo so reinstallation is exact. Make sure to clean grime around the pulley, then position a floor jack with a block under the compressor to support its weight. These steps let you work steadily and keep parts aligned when you begin pulling the pulley. You now handle the fasteners and extraction. First, hold the compressor clutch or shaft with the correct holding tool so turning the nut doesn't rotate the compressor. This protects the seal. Next, apply penetrating oil to the center nut or bolt and back it out. If it's stubborn, heat briefly with a heat gun. Then mount a dedicated pulley puller, align its jaws, and gradually tighten evenly so the pulley slides off the shaft without bending. Make sure to keep tension balanced to avoid damage. You finish by inspecting and reinstalling correctly. Once the pulley is off, check the shaft, keyway, and bearing surfaces for wear. Replace any damaged components so the new pulley seats true. Clean the shaft and key, then slide on the replacement pulley and torque the center nut to the manufacturer's specification. If the pulley stuck during removal, reapply penetrating oil, use controlled heat, or gently tap the puller. Avoid hammering the shaft, which can ruin seals and alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.